Good morning, my student. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our computer class. So today we are going to start our chapter number 4, Word 2016. It means MS Word 2016. So let's start with the introduction. Okay, let's start with the introduction. MS Word is an application software developed by Microsoft. Okay, MS Word is an application software developed by Microsoft. It is used to type letters, reports and other documents. Okay. Now, what is a word? What is a word? Word is a word processing program. Okay. Word is a word processing program. Okay. Word processor is an application software that helps us to type, format and to edit text. Okay. It helps us to type, format and to edit text. Okay. Now there are some things which we can do in MS Word. Today we are going to learn about how to cut the text, copying the text, formatting a document and about the fonts. Okay. Today we are going to learn the following steps how we can cut the text, copying the text, formatting a document and fonts. Okay. So let's start with the cut the text. How to cut the text? Okay, if you want some text should be cut. Okay, मतलब आप चाहते हो कि कोई text जो है जो आपको नहीं चाहिए. If you want to remove the unwanted text, you can cut that. Okay, for that the following steps are there. See, first step is select the text which you want to cut. What you have to do first? You have to select that text. Okay, after selecting the text, in the second step, right click on mouse. You have to right click on mouse. When you right click on mouse, one dialog box will appear on the screen. In that you will get the option of cut. Okay, then you have to go on that option cut. When you click on that option cut, the text which you want to cut that will be get disappear. ठीक है, जो text आप कट करना चाहते थे वो वहाँ से हट जाएगा. Okay, clear all of you? Now next we will see how to copying the text. Okay, it means how to copying or paste the text from one place to another. Okay, for that also first step is select the text which you want to copy. First what you have to do, you have to select the text which you want to copy. Okay, after selecting the text, again what you have to do in the second step, right click on mouse. Okay, you have to right click on mouse. When you right click on mouse, one dialog box appear on the screen. In that you will get the option of copy. Okay, you have to click on that option copy. Okay, when you click on that option copy, in the third step you have to place the cursor on new location. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to place a cursor on new location where you want to copy your text. Okay, and there what you have to do, again right click on mouse. Again you have to right click on mouse and then you will get one dialog box. In that you will get the option of paste. Okay, when you click on the option paste, the text will be copied from one place to another. Okay, इस तरह से जो text है वो one place से दूसरी place में copy हो जाएगा. Clear? Yes. Now let's see about formatting a document. Okay, formatting a document, it means to make a document or to make a text bold, italic or underline. Okay, you can change your text according to that. Okay, you can make your text bold, italic or underline. Okay, how? Let's see. First step is select the text. What you have to do? First you have to select the text. After selecting the text, what you have to do? Second step, in the home tab, click on any option. Okay, home tab, where you will get the home tab? You will get the home tab on the top of the screen. Okay, in the corner. There you will see the three options. Okay, three option is what? Bold, italic and underline. It means what you will get? B, I and U. Okay, bold, italic and underline. Now from there you can select any of the option. If you select B, your text will be changed into bold. Okay, if you select I, your text will be changed into italic, and if you select U, your text will be changed into underline. Okay, so in the third step your text get changed according to it. Whatever option you will select, your text will be changed according to that. Okay, bold, italic or underline. Clear? Yes. Now next we will see about fonts. Okay, fonts are the characters of a specific style, size and colors. Okay, in fonts there are different style, size and colors are present. You can change your text according to that. Okay, you can change the font size, style and color. Okay, for that what you have to do, first step is select the text. First you have to select the text. Okay, to change the style what you have to do, first you have to select the text. In the second step, click on Calibri. Okay, you will get the option of Calibri at the top of the screen, है ना? From there what you have to do, you have to click on Calibri. When you click on Calibri, one menu will a font list appear. Okay, one font list will appear. Okay, वहाँ पे एक font list appear होगी. There you will get a different style of fonts. Okay, आपको different styles के होंगे वहाँ पे मिलेंगे. And from there, in the third step, select the font type and click on it. From there you can select any of the style which you want for your text. आप वहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो? You can pick up any of the font style for your text and then you have to click on it. In this way, your text will be changed. Your text style will be changed into that. Okay. Now for changing the size. Okay. If you want your text should be more bigger or smaller, you can change the font size also. For that also what you have to do? You have to select the text. Okay. Once the text was selected, then what you have to do? Click on drop down arrow. Okay. In the Calibri there will be one drop down arrow will be there. Then you have to click. Okay. When you click on that drop down arrow, a number list will appear. Okay. A number list will come like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. The different types of different numbers will be appear. From there you can choose the number how much bigger or smaller you want for your text. Okay, and select the font size and click on it. Okay, what you have to do, you have to select the font size and then click on it. In this way your font size will be changed according to that. Okay, now next, for changing the color, if you want to change the color of your text, you can change that also. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to select the text and then click on drop down arrow of font color. Okay, you have to click on drop down arrow of font color. Okay, when you click on the font color, you will get the list of different colors. Okay, different colors की list आपको वहाँ पे क्या होगा, screen पे मिलेगी. Okay, then from there you can select your desired color and then on apply. From there you can select the desired color which you want to give to your text and then you click on apply. In this way your font style, size and color will be changed according to your wish. Okay, I hope student you all understood about Word 2016, how to cut the text and copying the text and formatting a document into bold, italic and underline, and about the font size, style and color. Okay, now let's see practically how we can do all this thing. Okay,
Start.
yes. Now we will see how to cut and paste the text from one place to another. Okay, first we have to select the text whatever we want to cut. Okay, then right click on the mouse, you will see the option here of cut, है ना? Click on the option cut. Okay, the text disappear. Clear? Now next we will see how to copy the text. Okay, what we have to do, select the text. Okay, and then again right click. Okay, right click on the mouse, you can see the option here of copy. Okay, and then click on the blank space and then again right click on the mouse and you can see the option here of paste. Click on paste. Now you can see the text paste over here. Clear? Yes. Now next we will see formatting a document. Okay, to make the text bold, italic and underline. Here you can see the Calibri body. Okay, just see. Now first what you have to do, you have to select the text. Okay, select the text and then You can see here B for bold, okay, and I for italic, and U for underline. When you click on B, you will see your text got bold. Okay, when you click on I, it will turn into italic, and then when you click on U, it will get underline. Okay, in this way you can change your text into bold, italic and underlined. Clear? Now we will see the fonts. Okay, you can change the font, style, size and color, okay, of your text. Now for what you have to do here, you can see the Calibri body, है ना? Here you have to click it. When you click here, you can see different styles. Okay, you can choose any of the style. For here I am choosing this one. You can see the text converted into Algebrian. Okay, now next, if you want to change the size of your text, okay, again what you have to do, you have to select this, and then here you can see the number, है ना? Click over here and choose the number, how much big you want your text. Okay, suppose I am clicking here 18, है ना? The word change into that. Then next, if you want to change the color, okay, if you want to change the color, click over here, है ना? When you click here, you will see the different color. Okay, when you choose the color, na, when you choose the color, your text will be changed into that color. Okay, clear all of you? I hope student you all understood how to change the font style, size and color, and how to cut and move the text. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.